This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness. With the people, products, and technology to take you there, it's why they say, at PennyMac, greatness lives here.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Mike Savino. While Equifax has been looking into a glitch that affected credit scores, the company has maintained that the vast majority of customers saw no shift in their scores. But customers who were impacted by the glitch see it differently, and the consumer credit reporting giant is now facing legal action. A Florida woman became the first to sue Equifax, and she's seeking class action status. Nydia Jenkins claims that her credit score dipped by 130 points, and that caused payments on her pre-approved auto loan to jump from $350 a month to more than $500. We first reported back in May that Equifax began telling lenders about a glitch that impacted about 12% of its credit scores, and company officials at that time acknowledged a coding glitch in a program slated for replacement. Well, now the company is trying to downplay the impact on customers, saying only 1% saw a shift of at least 20 points, and that Equifax's own analysis found only a small number of those received a different credit decision because of that. While the score may have shifted, a score shift does not necessarily mean that a consumer's credit decision was negatively impacted. In other news, United Wholesale Mortgage bucked a trend this earnings season, with profits jumping 55% from last year. The $215 million in net income is down 52% from the first quarter of this year, but it's still a big gain over the $138.7 million they earned a year ago. Chairman and CEO Matt Ishbia says that not only were we able to deliver strong profitability, we also continued our streak of delivering significant purchase volume. Still, the origination was down 23% from the first quarter and 49.5% compared to a year ago. And UWM said it expects origination to slip further in the current quarter. But the company made up for the loss thanks to strong earnings elsewhere, including its servicing rights and unpaid principal balance. Ishbia has been critical of other companies in the mortgage industry laying off employees, and so far UWM has not announced any layoff of its own. But officials did disclose during this morning's earnings call that they've reduced payroll by not filling vacant positions. And finally, with lenders tightening their credit standards, credit availability fell to its lowest point in 9 years. The Mortgage Bankers Association says credit availability for both conventional and government loans fell, and its overall credit availability index fell by a total of 9 points to 108.8, its lowest point since March of 2013. The conventional index fell by nearly 10%, and the government index fell by roughly 8.5%. An economist for the MBA noted that the overall general tightening in credit availability also affected jumbo loans and non-QM loan programs. You can learn how to keep business going even in a down market at Originator Connect. You'll have the chance to hear from some of the industry's top experts, including a forum on August 18th on private lenders and the role that they're playing in the market. Panels and discussions continue through August 21st, including a non-QM summit. Executives from Angel Oak, A&D Mortgage, and Acra Lending, and other companies will tell you everything you need to know about non-QM. We'll be right back.
This program was brought to you by PennyMac TPO. Visit tpo.pennymac.com to learn more about becoming a partner and starting your journey to greatness.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.